Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dipali. In this video, I'm going to share my Amazon and Purple haul. So some of the products I had purchased on discount and some of the products I had purchased on the regular price. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first product I have is from Good Vibes and this is their Rose Glow Toner, and this has no alcohol, no parabens, no sulfates, and it is also cruelty free, and it is also suitable for all skin types, and this adds a very nice glow to your face. I like to use it in the morning as well as in the night. So this toner ideally retails for rupees 195 and I got it on discount for rupees 150, and I would highly recommend buying this toner. Okay, so the next product I have is from Good Vibes, and this is the onion hair fall control hair mask, and this has no parabens, no sulfates, and no animal testing, and this is meant for controlling hair fall. So I have not yet used this, but once I use it, I'll definitely do a blog post on my blog, so don't forget to subscribe to my blog, and you get a very huge quantity. This retails for rupees 499, and I got it on discount for rupees 374, and the tub is really huge if you see, and this also doesn't smell of onion at all. This smells really good and you get a very good quantity, and the consistency of the hair mask is very thick. I'm going to use it for a few times and then I'm going to review it whether it works in controlling hair fall or no. So I have one more hair mask from Good Vibes again, and this is the apple cider vinegar smoothing hair mask, and this also has no parabens, no sulfates, no animal testing, the same thing, and you get 200 gram of product in both the hair masks, and this retails for rupees 499 and I got it for 374. Now this claims to be a smoothing hair mask. I have used it twice, but I didn't see that smoothing effect as of now. I think that this would work best for normal to dry hair, but I have extremely dry hair, so I don't think this might work for me. So I'm still going to try it a few more times and then review it on my blog, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so next I have these two cute lip balms. The first one is from Purple. This is their childhood besties lip balm, and this is in the flavor butterscotch, and as you can see, I have actually used it quite a lot. It is almost going to get over, and this smells so good. It actually smells like butterscotch. I just love this. This is very moisturizing and very good for dry and chapped lips, and this retails for rupees 155 and I got it on discount for rupees 132. And I have one more lip balm, which is the Blue Heaven lip balm, and this is what it looks like from inside. This is in their bubblegum variant, and this also smells exactly like bubblegum. If you remember, in our childhood days we used to have that Boomer, which used to come in that pink color packaging. This smells exactly like that Boomer chewing gum, and I really love this. So this has the goodness of shea butter, almond oil, vitamin E, but I feel as compared to the Purple lip balm, this is not that moisturizing, but for normal to dry lips I think this would work fine, but for extremely chapped lips I don't think this would work that well. Okay, so next I have is this Bella Voste top coat. This retails for rupees 99 and I got it on discount for rupees 65. This gives a very nice shine to your nails and also helps the nail polish last longer. So if you are looking for an affordable top coat, you should definitely check this out. Okay, so that's it for the Purple haul. Now let's see what all products I have purchased from Amazon. So the first product I have purchased from Amazon is this Maybelline Loaded Bold lipstick, and this is in the shade Mauve 8, and this is what the swatch of the lipstick looks like. This is a very nice mauve shade with hints of purple, and this would look great on fair to medium skin tones. This has a creamy matte formula, and this retails for rupees 400 or 450, I'm not sure. I'll link it in the description box below, and I got it on discount for rupees 308. If you're someone who doesn't like to wear liquid lipsticks as they can be very drying, then you should definitely try this out, and this collection has a wide range of bold shades, so if you're into bold lipsticks then you should definitely check this collection as well. Okay, so the next product I have is this Garnier Micellar Water, and this retails for rupees 349. I got it on discount for rupees 208. This is such an amazing micellar water. You should definitely try this if you haven't. I've also tried the Pond's micellar water, but I don't like it that much. It does irritate my eyes. This removes your makeup effortlessly, and this doesn't irritate my eyes as well. And as I wear makeup most of the time in the week for shooting purposes, I need micellar water all the time. So this is a huge bottle, and this is definitely going to last for at least a few months. Okay, so I have one more micellar water from Garnier, and this is their oil infused cleansing water, and this is also suitable for all skin types like the previous one, and it helps in removing waterproof makeup, cleanses and also nourishes the skin. And this is dermatologically tested, and the previous one is also dermatologically tested. This retails for rupees 399, and I got it on discount for rupees 300. Though I don't wear waterproof makeup, but I do wear waterproof mascara, and hence I have purchased this. And I don't like the smell of this. It is kind of strong for my liking, but still overall this helps in removing the makeup effortlessly, and this is a very nice micellar water. Okay, so next product I have from Amazon is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 25 medium. So this shade is perfect for my skin tone as a highlighting concealer, and Maybelline has a great variety of shades as well, I think, in the concealer category, so you should definitely find your shade. And I have purchased this shade as a backup, as the previous one is going to get over, so I have just purchased this as a backup, and that's it. Okay, so the next product I have is again from Maybelline, and this is their Master Blush Color and Highlighting Kit, and this is what it looks from inside, and in which you get 3 different blushes. And now you must be wondering, where is the highlighter thing? So there is a backstory behind this. Actually, I received a defective piece in which the highlighter was broken and it had shattered all over the palette. So I called the customer care of the Amazon, and they were ready to refund me the price of the palette, as beauty products are non-returnable in most of the websites. So they were not ready to take this product back. So I thought of taking the refund, because as you know, there was no point in ordering the same palette again, because I would end up having 2 palettes, and as you know, makeup products take a lot of time to finish. So I thought, why not just compromise and just use 3 blushes and just forget about the highlighter thing. But the blushes are really amazing. I think for fair to medium skin tone, this is a very nice palette. You get 3 different shades of blushes, and they are not extremely pigmented, which is a great thing. I personally don't like my blushes to be way too pigmented. I like them to be decently pigmented, so I can build up the color as per my liking. So if you're looking for a blush palette, or if you don't want to invest in different blushes, so this is the palette for you, in which you get a highlighter also and 3 different shades of blushes, which is a great thing. And I got this for rupees 500 or something, and this ideally retails for rupees 890, so which was a very nice deal. Amazon service was very great, and they were kind enough to send the refund. And the palette I received was broken because it was not packed perfectly. It did not have a bubble wrap, and hence during the shipping process or during delivery or whatever, it just got broken on the way. So that was a very sad thing. I wish they had packed the product in a bubble wrap. The next product from Amazon is this Wow Onion Black Seed Hair Oil, and this claims to be dermatologically tested, mineral oil free, no silicones and no synthetic fragrances. This is pure cold pressed oil, and it has plant based ingredients. This is non sticky and non greasy hair oil for silky and stronger hair. So I have used this hair oil I think 3-4 times, and as of now I really like it. As compared to the regular Parachute hair oil, I feel this is less sticky, which I really like. As of now, I cannot say how apt is this for silkier and stronger hair. So I'm going to use it for a few more times and then put a review, a blog post on my blog. I'm going to use at least for 2-3 months and then give my final review on this. So yeah. Okay, so the next product I have is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is their Sugar Contour Palette. in which you get three sections. The first one is the contour, the second is the highlighter, and the third one is the blush. And this is the swatch of the highlighter. This is such an amazing highlighter. This is my new favorite highlighter. It adds this nice glow to your face, and the contour is also really good. The blush though is not that pigmented, it is very less pigmented. You just need to go again and again and again and again. But if you like your blushes to be extremely subtle, then this is a good palette for you. And it also has a small mirror, which is pretty decent, I feel. And I got this palette for 719, and this ideally retails for rupees 799. And as you must know, you hardly get discount on sugar products, so I was the lucky one. This is a very nice palette, as you're getting all the three things: a blush, a highlighter, a contour. So at this price, I think this is a very nice palette. Okay, so next I have is this L'Oreal Paris Les Bar A blush, and this is in the shade City Explorer 08, and this is a shimmer blush, and I am wearing this on my face. If you can see, this is a very nice nude kind of color. This retails for rupees 750, which is kind of pricey, I think, but you can definitely wait for discounts and offers. I got this for rupees 450, which is so worth, I can't tell you. And these blushes are so good. They are slightly pigmented, but you need to be very careful while using these blushes. You need to go slowly and build the product, and not take too much of product at a single time. And this is what the blush looks from inside. As you can see, this is a very beautiful color, and it also comes with a mini brush like this, and it helps in applying the brush very nicely. The bristles are very soft, and it also comes with a full size mirror. Okay, so if you're thinking of purchasing a new blush, then you should definitely buy this shade. This is such an amazing shade. I would highly recommend this. Okay, so I have one more blush from the same collection. This is the L'Oreal Paris Les Bar blush in the shade Be Fierce, and this is what the blush looks from inside. This also comes with a full size mirror and a brush like the previous one. And I had purchased this blush 4-5 months ago, and this is what the swatch of the blush looks like. This is a very nice corally kind of shade, and these blushes are so good. This comes with a brush, and this is a matte blush, and the previous one, the City Explorer one, is a shimmery blush, but it doesn't have very chunky glitter particles, which is a good thing. And both these blushes would look good on all skin tones, so you should definitely try at least one shade from both of these. Okay, so this blush, the Be Fierce one in the shade 11, this is highly pigmented. I cannot stress enough, this is so pigmented, so you need to be extremely careful while using this blush. Take very little product, very little, and then keep building the product as per your liking. If you use too much of product, then you will definitely end up looking like a clown. So if you are looking to buy new blushes, you should definitely check this collection from L'Oreal. Okay, so we have come to the end of the haul, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell icon to get notified of the future videos I post. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I post makeup tutorials and various content on Instagram as well. So that's it for this video. Bye.